Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy phone not charging. So first, inspect the USB port. Check for any debris or dust in your USB port that may hinder charging. Use a toothpick or small brush to clean it gently. After that, restart your phone. Press the volume down button and power button together, then tap restart. After that, the phone restarts. Check if the charging works. If it still doesn't charge, then use another charging cable adapter. The current charger or cable may be faulty, and also ensure that you're using a different power outlet. At last, if available, use a wireless charger. Place your phone on a wireless charging pad. If it still doesn't charge, consider visiting a Samsung service center for further diagnosis. And these are all the methods to resolve the Samsung Galaxy phone charging issues. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.